Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be all about natural hair. I see that I have a lot of new followers, supporters, or family members. So I just wanted to tell you all a little story about my natural hair journey. Hopefully you'll learn something, and hopefully this video will be an inspiration to all of you who want to get on a natural hair journey or just take better care of your hair. All right, with that being said, let's get into the video. Alright family, so my natural hair journey started back in 2018. If you're an OG, you've heard some of these stories before, but I basically damaged my hair because I was learning how to do my own hair. So I would braid my hair very tight or keep my braids in forever, or just do the wrong hairstyle. I was also relaxing my hair at the time. I started noticing that my edges were basically non-existent and my hair was not healthy. It was thin and it just had no life. Around this time, there were a lot of people going natural. A lot of people made videos about natural hair, and it was just becoming a thing. I thought about it for a long time because I wanted to go natural as well, but I feel like I wasn't brave enough. So I decided to, do my research, watch a lot of videos, and about a year or a year and a half later, I finally decided to get on my journey. So I did a big chop. I chopped all my hair off and started over. I decided to use only natural products and natural home hair remedies for my hair. So I started to use rice water, the avocado mask, and all of the natural hair routines that you have seen on my channel. If you haven't seen some of those videos, I highly encourage you to check them out. I'll leave some of them in the description box so you can check them out. They have been very helpful to a lot of my viewers and subscribers. Anyway, when I started my natural hair journey, like I said, I decided to do only natural products. So again, I started to take care of my hair. So my routine was wash my hair, treat it with either aloe vera, rice water, avocado, or any other natural hair remedies that I wanted to try. I would do this every 2 weeks. So I would treat my hair, wash it, braid it up, and keep it. I did this for about a year and a half, and let me tell you, my hair grew like crazy. I had never ever seen my hair this length. I had never seen it this healthy. I had never seen it this shiny. It didn't even look like my hair. My hair grew so long and so healthy that when I started posting natural hair videos on YouTube, a lot of people swear it wasn't my hair. They made me part my hair up and down, show my scalp, like they made me do a whole lot of stuff just to show that it was in fact my real hair. So once people started to believe me, a lot of people started to follow me, and a lot of my hair videos and remedies went viral. I was known as the aloe vera girl. There was a time where when you searched aloe vera or rice water on YouTube, I was the first one who popped up. It was pretty exciting. I saw a lot of people try to do my routine as well. A lot of people, did similar videos as me. It was an exciting time. It was also the same time my channel started to blow up, and it changed my entire life. So when this happened, I got really excited and I really wanted to see what the length of my hair was. So I went and got my first silk press. I went to a natural hair salon. The lady washed and treated my hair. She blow dried it and flat ironed it. And let me tell you, once again, a lot of people at the salon stopped and looked at my hair. It just didn't look like my hair. I didn't believe it was my hair. At this time, my hair was about 22 to 24 inches long. It was on my back. After she washed, blow dried, shampoo, and flat ironed it, she said that I had some split ends, so she cut about, I want to say, 1 to 2 inches off, and it was still long. After all of that, I had at least 22 inches of hair left. And I just continued my regimen. I continued to film videos about my hair. I continued to take care of it. And then fast forward in 2020, I came up with my hairline, which was my Aloe Vera hair growth oil. This was the routine that I have been using for the past, 2.5 years to grow my hair. And a lot of my fans wanted to know exactly how I made the oil. So many times I showed the recipe on my channel here. Again, I have a video of that. And I just wanted to make a product line that I knew would work for me and also work for my fans. And I went ahead and created the Nimba Luxe Aloe Vera hair growth oil. And every time, y'all, every single time, we sold out. We sold completely out. I got a lot of reviews of people telling me that the oil was basically magic, y'all. Like, it worked miracles. Fast forward a few months later, I started to have some issues in my personal life, and my oil business came to a complete halt. Unfortunately, I had to stop my oil business and focus on, the real life things that were happening. Within that time, my hair started to suffer as well because I was under a lot of stress and a lot of pressure, and I noticed that I started to lose my hair. My hair was getting thinner. Every time I would take out my hair every 2 weeks, I would see that I would lose a lot of hair. Like, my hair was coming out in clumps and clumps, and I just didn't feel comfortable about my hair. I wasn't as happy as I was with my hair anymore. So I kind of slowed down on the video because even I was trying to figure out what was going on. And I realized that I was under a great amount of stress and it just wasn't healthy for me or my hair. So anyway, I slowed down on my videos and also my hair growth videos. I just, again, wanted to take a step back to figure out what was going on with my hair. And that is what I've done. So I would love to continue this hair journey with you guys, to teach you guys and also inspire you guys to, grow your hair back, make your hair healthy, or whatever your hair goals are. I would love to be a part of that. So I'm slowly but surely working my way back to the natural hair videos so that we can all do it together, so that 2022 and the years after that would be another successful hair journey for all of us. So thank you all again for listening to my story. Thank you all again for all your support throughout my natural hair journey. Thank you all again for all of the support that you've given me throughout the years that I've had my channel. I look forward to, sharing all my journeys, my experiences, my wins, and all of that good stuff with you all. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.